Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This might be a bit different topic from our previous videos. If you just started vlogging just like me, we might be on the same page. I just want to share a quick tutorial and honest review on the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 that I bought about 1 month ago. And this video will show you the difference when you use a mobile gimbal or you're just using your mobile phone. Let's start. So this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 weighing 405 grams with a battery capacity of 2450 milliamperes that can last approximately up to 15 hours. Check the difference on the video with Osmo Mobile 3 and without Osmo Mobile 3. Alright, so this is the first thing that we have to do. We have to search for the DJI Mimo app on Google Store. Mimo app DJI, and this is the one that we have to install. Since we have a very good internet connection and we have a decent phone, then it doesn't take that much for the download and installation of the application. Alright, so once the app is installed, let's open it. And make sure you turn on your Bluetooth, so we can directly come back to the app and then hit the connect button. So it will automatically search for available Osmo Mobile devices, and it was connected to our gimbal. Now we're good to go. Alright, so now let's start with the M button. This is the button which has the more functionality. So we'll start with the long press. That will switch off and switch on your gimbal. We'll press it again. Alright, so it will switch it on. Single press of the M button will switch between video and photo. Double press will switch between portrait or landscape mode. Triple press will enable or disable standby mode. If you want to know the battery status, you can single press it while it's off and it will show you the battery status from these LED lights. So we have another button with the red dot. The purpose of this is for capturing photo or video. Let's try it. And we have this joystick to tilt up and down, or if you want to pan left or pan to your right. On the left side of it, so we have the zoom slider for zoom in and zoom out. And on the right side of it, so we have two ports. The first one will be the USB-C port, which is for charging. And we have another port here inside. Let's open this. We have a USB port, so you can connect a USB port here to either a USB-C to connect to your mobile so you can charge it. you can actually use the battery of this mobile gimbal to charge your mobile phone. So let's move on to the second most functional button. This will be the trigger button. So one of the most cool feature of this gimbal is the Active Track 3.0. So point the subject to that cross on your screen and then press the trigger button at the back once. That will set the subject to your camera and it will start following it. Double press on the trigger will recenter the gimbal. Press it 3 times, that will switch between front and back camera. By pressing the trigger twice and hold, it will enable or disable the sport mode. So let's proceed to the bottom part of the gimbal. We have the 1420 UNC port here for our tripod. And we have the small lanyard here for the lanyard, which is very useful. And I will include why you have to do this on my next video. This is a M3 by 0.5 screw hole. You might need it for balancing, just in case if you want to add an external lens for your phone. We are done with our quick tutorial. Let's now move on to our honest review. Let's start with a positive review. Is it very portable? Yes. You can hang it to your hand and it can securely hold your phone, and it doesn't get that much attention from the people around you, which is what we want to happen, especially when you just started vlogging. Number 2, easy balancing. You can probably balance your phone to your gimbal within just few seconds or just few minutes. Just like that. Number 3, battery life. I've been using this for my 2 latest video and it can surely last up to 15 hours of battery life. Number 4, easy setup. Install the application, turn on your Bluetooth, search for the available Osmo Mobile device, connect, boom, you're free to go. Number 5, it can give you smooth and stabilized video, surely yes. If you will watch all my video in my channel and compare the last 2 latest video, you will see the difference. And one of the reasons why I purchased this gimbal is I want to have this cinematic b-roll on my vlogs. We're done on positive review. Let's move on to the room for improvement for DJI Osmo Mobile 3. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and my rear camera can capture UHD video either with 30 fps and 60 fps. And my front camera can capture a UHD video on 30 frames per second. However, when you use the DJI Mimo app, you only have the option for 4K at 30 fps for the rear camera and Full HD at 30 fps for the front camera. Hopefully they can update the app so we will have an option for either 30 fps or 60 fps, and maybe they can add the slow motion feature that is available on Apple and it's not available on Android application. The reason behind I decided to buy the Osmo Mobile 3 instead of the Zhiyun Smooth 4, because the wide camera on the latest smartphone can capture a small part of the gimbal unless you film using flashlight mode. So before buying your mobile gimbal, I strongly suggest you to do a research and watch a lot of tutorials in YouTube. This video is not sponsored by DJI, however I strongly recommend to buy the combo pack where you can get the tripod and a case for your DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Please watch my next video. I will show you the reason why you need these 2 items. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a video. See you again next time.